SQL or structured query language is a language used for managing data related to various databases and entities. At its core, this language is designed to facilitate a wide variety of operations, such as creating, modifying, and querying data structures. Two of the most powerful operations are complex functions and subqueries, which can be used to analyze large datasets and find patterns within them. In this article, we will explore the basics of complex functions and subqueries and how they can be applied to improve your data-driven applications. Complex functions are a type of built-in function that are used to execute complex operations on data in a database. Complex functions usually span multiple lines and utilize multiple parameters. Examples include aggregate functions that provide a way to analyze summary information on collections of data such as max, min, count, and sum. Additionally, these functions can be used to calculate basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Subqueries are a type of built-in function that are used to execute a complex query on a dataset. This type of query is composed of multiple statements that are executed one after another, and the data from each statement is utilized by the succeeding statement. Subqueries can be used to answer difficult questions, such as counting the number of customers who bought a certain product in a given time frame, or drawing up customer purchase histories for analysis. Subqueries can make it possible to answer complex questions with a few lines of code. Utilizing complex functions and subqueries can drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to query information from a dataset. The use of these tools can also make it much easier to analyze complex inquiries, such as finding out how many customers bought a certain product from a given source in a given time period. Utilizing these tools can also help reduce the amount of code required to complete a query, leading to more efficient applications. Complex functions and subqueries are powerful tools that can be used in SQL to make data analysis more efficient and effective. By utilizing these tools, you can reduce the amount of code required to execute a query and gain insight into your data more quickly and easily. With these tools, you can answer even the most complex inquiries with few lines of code.